Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right, okay, so I'm just going to do a quick one today. I know you've been getting bored lately and out of me doing a lot of videos on the DC5, but soon lockdown will be over, so we're going to get out there and do some car reviews on some people's cars. I've already got a load lined up anyway. So yeah, again, today's just going to be a quick one. So we're just going to go out in the DC5. I just got to go to the shops, get some stuff really. So just going to do basically a point of view with the GoPro. Just, you know, head mounted and that, and basically show you me driving my DC5. And again, I know it's going to be a bit of a boring video, but you know, soon, good weather coming, car shows are coming back, and like I said, I've got some videos lined up for some car reviews. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, let's switch over to the GoPro now, and yeah, show you the point of views. Okay guys, like I said, we're just going to go to the shop. Nothing exciting, just basically a point of view of me driving my DC5 really. Right, let's go to the shop. It's a really nice day out today. Good to be out. Nice little Sunday drive. Hopefully we won't run into any cyclists and that. I know they like to be out on a Sunday morning holding up traffic, but too bad in here. I know obviously it's an old car, can have its rattles and noises, which it does, but it's not actually too bad for a 20-year-old car. The exhaust ain't too bad, it's not too drony. Send it to space too much, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, like I was saying, you know, I have got a lot of videos and that lined up, a lot of cars to review. I know COVID has still been very restrictive lately, but you know, it's going to start easing down hopefully very soon. And then yeah, car seasons are coming back, you know, start hanging around with friends and get some good videos. I've done as well to the car has made it a hell of a lot better than what it was when I originally got it. brakes are so much better now. They were completely shot when I first bought it. The steering now, so much more direct. The shifter as well, this hybrid racing shifter, I highly recommend anybody, if they get a DC5, this is basically one of the first mods to do. Get one of these and literally completely transform the feel of the drive. You know, going into gears in the original shifters, they're alright, but after time, like my one was worn out, the bushes now were just completely worn out. It was, you know, basically it was basically a throw and hope, basically, that I got it in the right gear. But yeah, this shifter, short throws, you know, very precise, and just such a great mod to do to a DC5. Highly recommend it. Such a great car, even if you've never driven, you know, a car with, you know, a K series, K20 engine and that car, driving EP3, you'll love that as well. And you know, these engines are just great engines, they really are. That's why obviously I guess a lot of people are doing a lot of K swaps in cars. I've seen so many different ones. You know, I've seen people K swap Porsches, Ferraris, you know, even S chassis, people taking out SR20s and putting K series turbos in them. You know, just I guess they're probably cheaper, more reliable. You know, like I say, a good cheap way to get good power. You know, and I guess probably soon these K series engines probably may start getting a bit rare. You know, everybody buying them now, they're cheap, yeah, but probably what, in 10 years time they'll probably be pretty expensive. Probably sort of going down the route of like RBs and 2Js. You know, everybody will start wanting them, they'll get in short supply, and prices will start going up. I might actually change it altogether. I'm looking at probably maybe getting the same steering wheel, but get one with blue stitches and a blue horn. Obviously carry on with the blue themed interior, because you know I got the blue shifter, obviously I've got blue Recaros. But yeah, I mean I've had this steering wheel since the Civic, so you know, very nice steering wheel. It's a very good feel to it. But yeah, I don't know, it's on the to-do list probably. Okay, so there we are guys. Again, you know, just a quick little video, nothing, you know, exciting. Just obviously a trip to the shop. Like I say, soon we'll get some more content, not DC5. But yeah, you know, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. I know a lot of you are obviously, you know, watching the videos aren't subscribed. Please you know, hit the subscribe button, you know, give it a like, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one guys.